We know that these hail strikes can block airflow, and if we're blocking airflow, we're impacting heat transfer, which in theory has a big impact on efficiency of these systems, right? Well, how much are we really talking about? As it turns out, not very much. Let's say we have a 40% flattened coil, which was our knowledge check question. Just to break that down, imagine how significant that would have to be. Here's a good visual for you. This system would have to have two sides that look like this to be approximately 40% flat. Remember, that coil wraps 3/4 the way around the unit. 40% would be almost the worst possible outcome since hail is directional. Okay, let me direct your attention to that chart on the screen. You will notice that on the chart we are comparing percent flattened coils across the bottom against the impact it has on SEER rating, which is the efficiency rating, and that is down the left-hand side. At 40%, we notice a drop from 12 SEER, our starting point in this example, down to only 11.6 SEER. That is only a loss in efficiency of about 3.5%, which in the bigger picture is really nothing. So there you have the answer to the knowledge check question. It was choice A, less than 5%. Great job if you knew that or even guessed it correctly. Now let's look at that bottom graph. This time we are exploring the effect on overall power consumption measured in British thermal units per hour. Again, at 40% flattened, it would only raise the BTUs per hour from 30,000, our starting point, to approximately 30,700, which is a small increase of about 2%. So the main takeaway is this. Hail isn't as urgent as some other causes of loss. You have time and should not be pressured to rush the repair just based on efficiency effects alone. Just a quick note, we have actually found coils for 20-year-old systems with some time to do the research.